So, hello everyone. As you know, my name is Rex. Today, we will talk about this question where we will learn about how to write a Java program to add two numbers. It is a basic program, but this will be very important for beginners to understand how we write a Java program for solving different problems. And let's start with this program. Eventually, we will do more different programs which will be more difficult than that. So let's start. So guys, this Java program, we can say that it is designed to add two numbers, as you know, and like every Java program it begins by creating a class which named add two numbers. And as you know, a class act as a container that holds all the code required for program, such as variables and methods. And inside the class we define the main method, this, which is the entry point of the program. And we should know, whenever we run a Java program, the Java virtual machine, JVM, first looks for the main method, because program execution always starts from the here. Without the main method, the JVM would not know where to begin executing the program. And inside this main method, we have to first declare two integer variables named num1 and num2, or you can say that number1 or number2. And here, and in this, num1 and num2 using the int data type, which is used to store the whole numbers. And after that, we assign the values 20 and 30 to these variables using the assignment operator, this equals to. And by storing the numbers in variables, the program can access and can use them whenever required. And whenever sorry and in these variables also makes the program more flexible. I'm just making you understand about these concepts so you can remind them again and again. This will be helpful for you. So we can say that after that we declare another integer variable named sum, this, to store the result of the addition. And the expression, this num1 plus num2, uses the addition operator, this, to add values stored in num1 and num2. And since num1 contains 20 and num2 contains 30, Java performs the calculation, which means 20 plus 30, which result in 50. As we know that it's a simple calculation. And this calculated value is then stored in a variable sum, this. And when the calculation is complete, the program uses the System.out.println method to display the output on the console. Here and here, the first statement prints the value stored in num1, and the second statement prints the value stored in num2, and the third statement prints the value stored in the sum variable, this one. So along with the values, descriptive text such as first number, second number, and sum is displayed to make the output clear and easy to understand. And here println method, this method automatically moves the cursor to the next line after printing each statement. You should know that. And this keeps the output well organized and easy to read. After that, once all the statement has been executed, the main method finishes and followed by the end of the class. And at this point, Java Virtual Machine JVM completes the execution of the program and terminates it successfully. Although this is a simple Java program, it introduces several fundamental concepts like classes, the main method, variables, data types, the assignment operator, arithmetic operator, and the system.out.println method, etc. And these concepts form the foundation of Java programming, and they are used in almost every Java application. That's why I explain them here. So I think, and here also you can see this output. If you, when you write this code in your system in any editor like Visual Code Editor or Sublime Text, you will get this output. You can you can try it on your system also. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.